Hello everyone, welcome to Kirklees Guitar School. So today we're going to have a look at the riff for money. Normally it's a bass riff, but it's a great little technical exercise and we're going to make it fit guitar today. So let's have a look at the tab while I'm waffling. So this is a great technical exercise because if you have a look at the time signature down here, you see the 7 stood on top of the 4. And what that means is we're going to play the 7 crotchets in a bar as opposed to 4 crotchets in a bar that we're used to. So you're actually going to count to 7. Now the genius in this riff is, although it's in an odd time signature that's quite unusual, it doesn't feel odd. It doesn't feel like you're losing anything at the end of the bar, even though technically you are. You know, if we like even numbers. So 8/4 would equate to 2 whole bars of 4/4. And you are missing a whole beat, but it doesn't feel that way. And I feel like this is a great example of how to do time signatures without making it sound really jarring and overly complex. So let's get into the riff. This is what we're going for. So it's just a cool little 7-beat thing that we've got going on. So I'm going to hit the 2nd fret of the A string, hit that B note with a downstroke, and I'm going to palm mute that at the same time. You see I've got my palm on the. In fact, let's go here. Let's just tackle this first bit first. So we've got 2nd fret on the A string with a palm mute. Then I'm going to let off the palm mute, and I'm going to accent that 4th fret on the G. But I'm going to do that with an upstroke. And can you hear how I'm very clearly palm muting that first note, and then I'm doing that upstroke. I'm just picking it a little bit harder than I normally would. Following through, ring finger again on that 4th fret, but I'm back to palm muting it. Can you see on the top? You hear how there's sort of that cluck? And then I'm going to go back to the root note there. And I'm going down, up, up, down. Followed by a rest. And as we move into the second part of the phrase, we're going to go all the way up to the low E string with my index finger on the 2nd fret. I'm going to play that with a downstroke, pinky on the 5 with an upstroke, move down to the A string, back to the root note, back to that B, and then I've got a quaver rest in there. And can you see how I let go of that there? See how I relieve the pressure there? That's a really little nuance that I feel like a lot of people miss. Leaving that rest in there makes the next note, which is that 5th fret on the A, and we're going to bend it ever so slightly. You're bending it just enough so you're bending it out of tune. And then it starts all over again. So let's go back to that. So take a screenshot if you need to, or pause the video to work through that. Make sure you're using the right fingers and your downs and ups in the right place. Just a quick one today, something a little bit different that I thought would be different for you to have a go at. If you really enjoy what we're doing here on the KGS YouTube channel, make sure to check out his links to stuff in the description. You get a link to his channel and his website and all those other things. If you want to see some more lessons like this, let me know in the comments what you'd like me to cover, and I'll catch you in his next lesson. Thank you.